Do you ever wonder why recovery takes longer as you get older? Even if your workouts haven't changed much? That sore, heavy feeling that used to last a day now hangs on for 3? Well, there's an amino acid that might quietly fix that: L-glutamine. Today, we'll answer every question you have about it: what it does, how it works, and whether it's really worth adding to your supplement stack. Welcome to the Nutrient Link, where we decode the science behind supplements so you can perform, recover, and thrive at any age. What exactly is L-glutamine? L-glutamine is one of the most abundant amino acids in your body, a critical building block for muscles, your immune system, and even your gut lining. When you train hard, your body's glutamine levels drop, sometimes by as much as 50%. That's when fatigue, soreness, and slower recovery start creeping in. How does it help with recovery and muscle growth? When you work out, your muscles experience micro tears. Glutamine helps repair those tears by delivering nitrogen, essential for rebuilding tissue. It's like supplying raw materials to your body's construction crew. It also prevents muscle breakdown, which helps you keep your hard-earned gains. Does it actually build muscle? Technically, L-glutamine is an anabolic, meaning it won't build new muscle like creatine or protein. But it's anti-catabolic. It protects the muscle you already have by reducing breakdown during recovery and calorie deficits. How does it help men over 35 specifically? As men age, recovery slows, inflammation increases, and muscle protein synthesis declines. Glutamine supports your immune system, helps regulate inflammation, and improves gut health, all factors that influence recovery and performance. It's like adding recovery insurance as you age. What are the main benefits of L-glutamine? Here's what consistent use can do for you: faster post-workout recovery, reduced muscle soreness, improved gut and immune health, better hydration within muscle cells, more consistent energy between training sessions. Can L-glutamine help with fatigue and energy levels? Yes, indirectly. Glutamine supports glycogen resynthesis, which helps refill your muscle energy stores after training. That means less fatigue, better endurance, and a stronger return to your next workout. Is it useful for gut health too? Absolutely. Glutamine is the primary fuel source for intestinal cells. It strengthens your gut lining and reduces inflammation, which is huge, especially if you've ever dealt with bloating, food sensitivities, or digestive stress from high-protein diets. How is it different from BCAAs and creatine? BCAAs feed your muscles during workouts. Creatine powers your strength and performance. Glutamine helps you recover and rebuild, especially behind the scenes. Think of it as the recovery technician that keeps everything running smoothly. What's the recommended dosage? Most studies suggest 5 to 10 grams daily, after training or before bed. You can mix it into your shake or water. More isn't better, consistency is. What foods naturally contain L-glutamine? You'll find glutamine in high-protein foods like beef, chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and beans. But during heavy training, your needs increase. That's when supplementation fills the gap. Are there any side effects? L-glutamine is one of the safest amino acids you can take. Side effects are rare, but some people experience mild stomach upset if taken on an empty stomach. If that happens, take it with food or split your dose throughout the day. Can I stack it with other supplements? Yes, and it works great with others. Combine it with creatine for strength, BCAAs or EAAs for muscle preservation, beta-alanine for endurance, protein powder for recovery. They complement each other perfectly. How long does it take to notice results? Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll likely notice less soreness, better digestion, and smoother recovery between workouts. Long-term users report improved energy and reduced burnout. Is it safe for long-term use? Yes, research shows that glutamine is safe for daily, long-term use. Your body already produces it naturally, so supplementing simply supports what's already happening, especially when you train intensely or diet aggressively. Is it worth taking if I already get enough protein? If you're eating plenty of protein and recovering perfectly, maybe not. But if you're over 35, train hard, or experience lingering soreness, glutamine can make a noticeable difference in recovery and gut health. L-glutamine isn't about quick gains. It's about sustainable performance. Faster recovery, better digestion, stronger immunity, all the things that keep you training for the long game. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. If you're ready to train smarter and recover faster, give L-glutamine a closer look. Hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the latest deep dive from the nutrient link. Remember, consistency builds muscle, but recovery keeps it growing.